morning students. Today discuss about components of computer systems. Last day discuss of different types of components through the block diagrams, and today discuss it is the first component of the computer systems. Number one, input unit or devices. In unit and devices also same as. Input unit, what is the function of input unit? Accept the data or instructions given by the user. It is the work of input unit. There are some examples of input units. Number one, keyboard. कीबोर्ड लाइक ए टाइपराइटर मशीन। टाइपराइटर मशीन आप लोगों ने देखी है, उसमें कीबोर्ड होता है। कीबोर्ड है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कीज यूज्ड इन ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स। देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कीज इन कंप्यूटर्स। कीबोर्ड टोटल नंबर ऑफ कीज 105, 110, मल्टीमीडिया कीबोर्ड्स 112 एंड there are number 1 alphabets की A to Z और A to Z lower case and upper cases, and second number की 0 to 9. Decimal number is also called the 0 to 9. Third, functions की F1 to F12, and also add to numeric pad in left side 0 to 9, and arithmetic operators such as plus, minus, multiply, division, etc. Okay, and this number special key, enter key, space bar, backspace, tabs, CTRL, Alt, etc. यहाँ पर डिफरेंट टाइप्स की कीज, कीबोर्ड को दी अल्फाबेट्स कीज से डिफरेंट टाइप्स के टेक्स्ट को लिखते हैं। अपर केसेस A to Z and lower cases A to Z. Numbers की use the arithmetic calculations and find the numbers 0 to 9 is called the decimal numbers. Function keys also used for the special functions F1 to F12. Numeric pad is used for the arithmetic calculations. We have different types of arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiply, and divisions, and numbers 0 to 9. It is a separate numeric pad systems. They have also presents the enter key and numeric block button, and other special keys like the enter keys is used for the next to go to the next line and next paragraph, and also enter key used for the accept the functions of या run by the commands, सभी commands को जब run करते हैं तो run के लिए भी आपका enter की वर्क करता है। स्पेस बार की it is also used for the space for between the two characters, two words or two sentences, and backspace it is used for the back the characters to the left side, and tabs key and space bar keys are the same, but space keys different between two words in one by one space correct, and tabs key also jump directly 5 characters, otherwise 10 characters, and set your tabs in your documents for the jump the new lines, new columns. Control key also the combination of any other keys, इसका यूज किसी भी दूसरी के साथ यूज करते हैं स्पेशल पर्पज के लिए, सेम है ऑल्टर की, एंड ऑल्सो एस्केप की ESC is return of the starting point. Enter key is used for the new line and perform any functions, and escape key is used to return to the starting positions and cancel the any function of the commands. Next, input mouse. Mouse is an input device, but it is also called it is a pointing device. The points of the mouse is select any option of the application software on the screen. Its selection is very fast. They have two buttons, left button and right button, and also have a scrolling rule to scrolling the text. किसी भी text को scroll करने के लिए there are two types of scroll bar, vertical and horizontal. It is also used for the select options and to perform the commands such as the enter key. After type the commands and press enter key, then perform that command. C में select mouse button and click left key to perform the commands functions, and cancel right buttons key. And others input devices, scanner is used to scan any photos, images, any other functions for use the computers to store in your computer systems, because they have not to store your image and any other images like the document photos and figures photos enter in your computer system through the scanners. Joystick is also called the game devices. This is used for the run by the games with the help of joysticks and any other functions to control the any performance of the machines through the joysticks. And next, any other web camera. It is also shoot the photos in your systems through the web cameras. It is also called the And any other devices is also called the input devices. And others second number processing unit. Processing unit, it is also called the CPU. Only one processing unit, CPU. The full form of CPU, central processing unit. Central processing unit. Processing unit have only one. It is called CPU, central processing unit. It is also called the brain of the computers. इसको हम brain of the computers बोलते हैं. Because processing unit connect input unit and output unit, and any other functions connected with the processing unit. And processing unit is the more powerful devices. They have different parts of the CPUs. There are three parts of the CPU. Number one, memory unit. And second, control unit. And third, ALU. Means arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit. ठीक है. Memory units store the memory in your computer systems. Any work related to your text, graphics and images, etc. is stored first of all memory unit. There are two types of memory units: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, ROM, RAM और कैश मेमोरी. एंड सेकेंडरी में आपका वही FDD, HDD, CD, पेन ड्राइव. Memory, primary memory, ROM, RAM. There are two types of primary memory. Is an permanent memories. They have the different types of memory, ROM and RAM. ROM, what is ROM? Read only memory. And RAM, random access memory. Cache memory also stored in your computer systems data. ROM is a permanent memory. ROMs as a chip stored in your computer system at the manufacturing time में इसको permanently store कर दिया जाता है. It is also only readable memory. ये सिर्फ आपकी क्या होती है? रीडेबल मेमोरी होती है, सिर्फ हम इसको पढ़ सकते हैं. When your computer start then display any types of message text in your system continuously per day, every day. It is the function of the ROM. After that start the computer and understand any work and retain work by you. The function of the RAM, random access memory, it is a readable and writable memory, and this is a temporary memory. Its functions to start the computers as the time of the startings, at the last times, your memory extended, so it is the extendable memory. when your computer shut down, random access memories functions will not work, so it is called the temporary memory. इसका वर्क सिर्फ ये होता है कि ये आपकी मेमोरी जो वर्क आप करते हैं उसको एक्सटेंडेबल करती है। आप जितना वर्क ज़्यादा करेंगे वो उसको स्ट्रेचेबल करेंगे, लेकिन परमानेंट स्टोर नहीं होती है। अब आपका सपोज आपका सिस्टम ऑफ जो वर्क करते हैं वो रेम का वर्क होता है। आपने देखा होगा सिस्टम में कि रेम का वर्क होता है, रेम के अकॉर्डिंग आपकी स्पीड वगैरह होती है, वो आपकी रेम की होती है। ठीक है, अब सेकेंड आता है सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस, क्योंकि हमने वर्क किया है उसको परमानेंटली स्टोर करेंगे, और जिस वक्त एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में वर्क करेंगे वो भी आपका कहीं ना कहीं स्टोर होगा, तो वो कहाँ होता है, स्टोरेज मेमोरी होता है। तो आपका कंप्यूटर्स में जो एसपीडी होती है, हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव होती है, उस पर स्टोर होता है, वहाँ सारे सॉफ्टवेयर स्टोर होते हैं, और जो भी आप एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर वर्क करते हैं वो वही आपका स्टोर होता है। इसीलिए सेकेंडरी मेमोरी को हम सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट आपका कंट्रोल यूनिट आता है, इसका फंक्शन कंट्रोल योर मेमोरी पार्ट्स एंड फंक्शंस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एएलयू की जो हेल्प करने के लिए कंट्रोल यूनिट वर्क करता है। और एएलयू, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एएलयू? अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट। इट इज द फाइंड द विच टाइप्स ऑफ योर वर्क, अरिथमेटिक और लॉजिक, इसको डिफाइन करता है। Today discuss about there are two components of the computer system. Number one is root unit and number two processing unit. Today's work is your complete your work, and next day any other topics discuss. Thanks. Have a good day.